License and registration.
Officer,
License and registration.
Oh, what?
You know how fast you were going?
65?
63.
Officer, isn't the speed limit 65?
Yeah, it is. Are you okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir?
What I meant to say was, yeah, sure, but what I said was...
What did you say?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sir.
Where are you boys headed?
Custom offsets, sir. We're headed to get entered in to get a free set of wheels, tires, and suspension.
Custom offsets, huh? Almost made it. So, if you guys want to get entered to win the giveaway, all you gotta do is come up to the website, customoffsets.com/giveaway, grab the shirt. That's what's gonna get you automatically entered to win. So, we just designed this one. It's absolutely freaking sweet, very America style going on the front. And what this gets you, so basically, not only do you get the really sick shirt, you automatically get entered for a chance to win wheels, tires, suspension, lighting, the whole 9 yards. We got XD KMC on board for wheels, ReadyLift with the suspension, we got Nitto for tires, Black Label lighting. We're gonna kick in the labor and the install here at Offset's Garage, which is inside Custom Offsets. We're gonna hook you up with the hotel stay, the rental car, absolutely everything you need to bring us your stock truck and turn it into something much more amazing. So if you want to get entered, come on out, customoffsets.com/giveaway. September 26th is the last day that you can get entered to win at 11 a.m. That's when we're going to shut it down. Then that night at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, that's when we're going to go live. We're going to announce the winner, and we're going to also be making a huge donation to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So if you want to be a part of that, grab your shirt, get entered, help us make that donation, and get a chance to win that complete truck build package. Peace.
With an attitude.